guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I get this hairstyle, and I'm going out on a date with my husband. We've been together for so long, 2 kids, we need time for ourselves. It's so important. Go out and do things that lovers do. I think we're just going to go out, grab some food, have some drinks, let loose a little bit. So I need to get ready. I did my makeup already. I'm going to show you how I get this look. This like wavy hairstyle. I use a straightener for it. I do 2 techniques. This one is one of them. And then I created a video about, I think last year, showing you how I get my hair curly wavy. And I'll include that link below if you want to watch it. First things first, I'm going to spray my hair with a heat protectant. This is by Alternate Hair Care, Caviar Anti-Aging. This is the perfect iron spray. And I put this all over my hair, let it dry for a little bit, and then go into my straightener. Give it a little shake. And then I just go in and spray it on my hair, kind of focusing on the ends. It's where it's the most damaged. So I spray enough that it's pretty wet, but I want all the hair coated, so I give it a quick little brush and let that air dry, and it doesn't take too long, it just takes a few minutes. So this is the straightener I use. It's by the brand Thierry International, and I looked online and it retails for like $150, but I get all my straighteners at Winners, which is like the American Ross here in Canada. So, I mean, I paid $40 for this and I feel like it does the job. It does what I want it to do. I'm happy with it, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair. So I'll start with a 2-inch section at the bottom. This is what I'm working with. For underneath, I don't do too much. There's really not much hair to work with, but I just add like a little kink to it so it's not completely straight. I go in, I turn the straightener and just let go. So this is the motion that I'm going with. So I clamp the hair, I give it a quick turn, and then let go. Where the curve ends right here, I'm going to go into my straightener, and I'm going to do the same thing, but the opposite direction. So I'm going to grab it and give it a quick turn towards my face. So in and then out. It looks a little funky now, but that's all I want for the bottom layer. Just a little bit more texture. A quick little spray, a little scrunch. Okay, the next section. And this look is just for like a slight wave to the hair. It's not going to be overly curly, but it's just going to kind of look beachy and pretty and effortless. So I'm going in with the straightener and I'm going to pull down, and it's just slightly turned. So it leaves me with that. But I'm going to go back in and do the same thing. I'm going to do the opposite direction of where the curve ends right here. So it goes whoop, whoop. And then I'm going to go in again and do the same thing, again in the opposite direction. I don't know if this is going to be confusing or not. I'm going counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise. And then you can alternate too, so it looks a little bit more natural. So right now I'm going to go clockwise, counterclockwise, like that. And then play around with like the placement of the curl and the kink. It just gives it a bit more dimension. So for example, I'm starting right at the root for this kink, and then I'm gonna go down, but maybe for this one I'll start like mid-strand. Give it a spray, a little scrunch. Next layer. When you have long hair, it's like easier to get that really pretty, feminine, beachy, undone look, undone wave. It's not as easy when you have short hair. You know, there's only so much you can do, but I find that this technique gives it more of that natural wave, and I just think the result's really pretty. And it's kind of like foolproof. I mean, no matter where you put the curls, no matter how much you turn the straightener, if you do it different with every strand, it's gonna look pretty, because that's kind of what you want anyways. You don't want it to be uniform, you want it to look natural. Last layer. Now for the very top layer, I don't start right at the top. I leave this a little bit more straight, and I start the curl like right about here, about a couple inches away from the root. So see how this is straight, and then the curl is about right here. a quick little spray again. Scrunch. And I'm going in with this product by Shu Uemura, and this is a protective oil, but I love it on my hair because my ends are particularly dry, and when I just put it through, it gives me a little bit more texture and it looks really healthy and shiny and nice. Put a little dollop like that. I don't like to put it on the top because I feel that it might be too greasy, but definitely at the ends first. And then I slowly make my way up once there's less product on my hands. So just shake it through, scrunch it, and then just like a little bit over the flyaways, like so. Then I'm gonna go back with hairspray just to set those waves in place. I like to get under here and give it a good little scrunch for a bit more volume. And that is that. And that's all I do for this wavy hairstyle. And this is the type of hairstyle that just looks better as the day or the night progresses. The curls kind of flatten a little bit more and they look a little bit more natural and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching. Bye guys.